Unless you have been living underneath a rock for the last year, AI is everywhere. AI is on every social media platform there is, from Twitter to X to YouTube to Instagram, Facebook. I mean, AI is everywhere. People are making just so many different things with AI and so many creative things that they might not be able to create themselves, that they have the help of AI. AI is not bad. It can help you with a lot of your workflows, but we're gonna be going over a software called Remaker.AI in this video here. All right, so one of the first ones I'm going to talk about is changing a photo to a anime AI. So I've already created a couple of them and I'll go through it though. I took an image and here's my first one right here. And then here's another one right here. So you can tell the AI how much of the anime, whenever you're doing it, how much anime strength you want for it. It's 2 credits for each one. So basically all you do, we'll use one of their images here. Let's go ahead and look at this cat right here. I'll go ahead and blow it up on the screen. That way you can see what it looks like right now. So then we can just go straight over to anime and let's go ahead and bump this up. We're wanting that anime feel, so we want the strength of it to be more the anime than we do human, right? We want to take the realism out of it. So go ahead and hit generate. And it takes roughly about a minute to a minute and a half to generate. And that one actually generated really, really quick. And now that's what we got. We have an animated cat. The background looks a little animated. Everything looks animated on there. So if you're wanting to find photos and bring them in and design you like an anime style flip book or something, this right here would be really, really nice in order to do that. This one I'm not gonna do nothing, but it's actually a pretty cool idea to get it in there. It's called AI baby generator. So say you and your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, y'all want to see what y'all's baby's gonna look like. All you gotta do is take the dad and then of course the mother and then go ahead and hit generate and then it'll show you what your baby would actually look like. And of course, this is what they have for what the baby would look like with the 2 genes in it. I think that's pretty cool. This it's something fun for that. Now, say you want to make a sticker of your head, maybe you want to make a business card or something, or maybe a logo, something for yourself. Don't get me wrong, they do have logo maker on here as well, but the AI sticker generator. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to click on that and they show Elon Musk right here and they show it making it into a sticker. So if you look at your old Little Debbie packaging and a lot of your older advertisements, you always seen the face of somebody on their packaging. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag that same photo right here. And let's go ahead. It's 8 credits right here. I'm going to go ahead and generate it as well. So here's what it came out to right here. It has some likeness of me and some not likeness of me. I think I need to choose a different photo for it. Maybe more of a photo with more light on it. But yeah, I mean, something really cool, something creative. Put your own twist on your stuff. This could be your watermark for your videos or something that you're doing, your product line. Okay, next they have their own AI image generator. So we can come in here and now let's describe the prompt. Okay, so I type me in a prompt here, a cat in a scuba suit underneath the ocean looking at all the colorful reefs and fish. Okay, so we got 3 models that can actually create this image for us. So we got Flux Schnell, which is a super, super fast model. And then we got Flux Realism and then Flux Pro, which would probably be their dev. These 2 are going to be their devs right here. So on these 2 right here, they cost 8 credits. And for the Schnell, they cost 1 credit. And then you also have image to image. So you should be able to bring in here, say a reference image, say the cat that I want to have, I can put in here and then generate it with that same prompt right there. But there it is right there. Let's go ahead and do, I like 16 by 9. So go ahead, 1 photo. And again, it's 1 credit per photo for the Schnell. And of course the realism is going to be 8 credits per one that you do. So everyone, so if you want 4 videos, it's 32 credits. And there we go. We have our image. Go ahead and hit download. Go ahead and open that up and see what it looks like. And there we go. We have a cat scuba diving. I just wish it would have put the scuba mask over its mouth right there. But you got a cat underneath the ocean. So it did follow the prompt that I gave it. And of course you can, go find you a better prompt. And check this out. What I really like is the resolution. So it's not like a very low class resolution right here. It's actually a pretty decent resolution. 720p, but it's a little higher than 720, which is really, really nice to see. We can come in here and like fully look at it. They also have an upscaler too that you can actually upscale these images as well. So if we just want to go ahead and go to Flux Realism, I'm actually going to do Pro. and then go ahead and generate it from there on Pro. Realism should be about the same for realism versus Pro, but we get different ones. But man, that was like super quick. I mean, I wasn't even done doing my conversation. So go ahead and let's hit download there. And there we go. And see, look at that. That's what I'm talking about with the mask and everything. It really followed a non detailed prompt. It followed it pretty good. And he is like walking on the ocean floor as well. The only thing different is I would love to see a little bit of bubbling coming from the scuba tank. Would have been nice right there. But yeah, all in all, 100%, it works just like what Flux needs to work and how Flux does work. Okay, then you get an avatar generator. Say you want to make an avatar of yourself. All right, for this one right here, I'm going to use the same photo that I've been using. I'm going to click right here, click on me, grab this photo right here, click on mail, and then what do I want my avatar to be? Let's go ahead and go to round doll. Let's go to like a Pixar style and go ahead and hit generate. And now this is what we get. That's pretty good. Look at that. That is pretty cool. I mean, I literally look like I am like a Barbie doll, 100% right here, or a Ken doll. I shouldn't really say Barbie, but a Ken doll right there. Go to this one right here. That one there kept my features a lot more of my face right here. Besides, my face ain't that fat. But yeah, all in all, that's pretty good. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so if this fits your workload in any way, I mean, you literally can create your own avatar, and they got quite a few. You can make yourself a statue, Man in White, Iron Man, dark ink painting, whatever. You can do whatever you want. Okay, next one I'm going to do is object remover. So say someone photobombed you or whatever else, or you're somewhere and a bird was in the way. It doesn't matter what it is. You can actually take it out of the photo. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to add a photo. I went and found this photo right here of a nice sunset that had a bird in it because I want to take this bird out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and highlight this bird right here and then hit remove. And now this is no credits. As of right now, this one is actually a free tool within Remaker.AI. Notice it's not all out yet. So let's go ahead and let's do a little bit more. Let's go ahead. It might take you a couple of tries, which is pretty cool because it is free right now. It's also cool if you look at the very top right here, we have this zoom right here. So look, we got a couple of pieces right here left over. So let's go ahead and zoom in on here. And then we can go ahead and grab these little bitty bits right here. And then go ahead and hit remove. And just like that, we have removed the bird from the image. So now we can go ahead and download that. So here are our side-by-sides. I can probably come in here and take a little bit more of this side right here of where that bird come out. Right there, got a little bit of black right there, but other than that, it almost looks like the sky, like a little bit more clouding in the sky. But yes, 100% works with the object removal tool, and not only that, it's free. Okay, they do have an AI meme generator, so if you're one of the ones that like to make a lot of memes and post them on social media, you're more than welcome to do that. You got a logo generator. You can come in here and create your own logo, which is, I think, really cool, especially logos. This right here can probably save you a lot of money because people charge a lot of money for logos. So if it can do it right, again, if I can get this one, I haven't messed with this one just yet, but I am going to mess with it. I need to make me a new logo for my channel. So once I do that, this one right here will probably be its own dedicated video of how to make a logo for your channel. Okay, let's check out their AI photo editor. So go ahead and add you a image in here. We're going to go ahead and upload an image. We'll upload this one right here. And then, of course, what do we want to do? Okay, so now that I have my image in here, it says, please describe what you want to change. For example, remove the hat, change the shirt to blue, add a sunset in the background. So what I'm going to do, well, since we are coming up on the holidays and it's almost Christmas time, I'm going to make a Christmas scene in the background and put the man in an elf suit. And now here's your models you get to choose from, which of course, Nano Banana is one of their biggest ones here. I'm just going to go ahead and go with their Pro, which is 10 credits. Go ahead right there. And then, of course, what resolution do we want? And again, the more pixels you get, the higher it goes up. So for right here, 10 credits. For right here, 10 credits. And then let's go ahead and go to 16:9 and go ahead and hit generate. Okay, so that's what we get right there, which it 100% followed the prompt all the way. It made me into a elf. It put a Christmas scene behind me. My envision in my head was a little different. I wanted, I guess, a outside snowy scene, but it put me in a house. I got a Christmas tree behind me. And it's blurred out in the back as well. The background's nice and get that blurry bokeh in the back. We have sitting on a couch. I don't know what about the lights on the couch, but hey, it's there. I got a little fireplace, and of course, you got presents over here, which probably should be on the other side. But again, this is looks like a photo shoot right here. And I mean, it took the images, it took everything right from me, and worked 100%. All right, so the next one I'm going to do is Nana Banana AI, which I believe this is going to be their photo editor. So it is right here. We're going to actually, you can do different things. You can auto beauty, auto enhance, cartoon frame, which turn your character into cartoon right here. Upload your image and use these as your templates right here. They got quite a few to choose from right here of what you want to do, or they got custom. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take that image again that we made earlier with me being in a elf suit, and then we're going to change it to me being in a Santa suit instead. So I accidentally hit it twice, so it gave me two of them. So I can go ahead and do this one right here. So there I am in the Santa instead of the elf. And then it also gave me one with a beard, which again, my eyes, everything else is still there like it's supposed to be. Go ahead and hit download on it. That's pretty funny. Now we can also turn this into image to video. So go ahead and hit image to video. So now that you're in here, now you can choose what model you want. They have different Remaker ones, and each one has different credits to use. So you want to do the animation, 30 credits per 5 seconds. These right here are some of their best ones right here. So this is their newest one, improves the realism and the motion fluidity, which is 18 credits per 5 seconds. We'll just keep it right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is put a prompt in here. So I'm going to make the Santa Claus waving. So there we go. I put in there the man in the Santa suit is waving. We're going to go ahead and turn this to 720 because we want 5 seconds. It's going to cost 16 credits. Go ahead and hit generate. Okay, so now it's done. Let's go ahead and hit play. Go ahead and download that so we can get a full screen of it. And look at that. It even made the fireplace. Check out the fireplace in the background. It even made the fire move in the background. That is friggin' awesome. Made me smile, wave. His clothes are moving right there. Look at that. The movement of the clothes is friggin' awesome. And you got to remember, whenever I did that, I only used this the turbo one right here. I didn't even use their highest generation right here. That was only their 11 credit one. So yeah, if you made you a bunch of little animated clips, if you want to make you a little animated short or something, you can throw a bunch of these in there and make you an animated short, which is freaking awesome. All right, as far as other things they have AI image upscaler. You can take an image that's a little blurry and not as crisp and upscale it, which you get upscaler, unblur, enhance, and face restore. Then you got your headshot generator in here. And of course, you do have some free tools as well. So you got cropped image converter. So for me, instance, doing video editing, I'll go grab an image off of the web and it comes out as a WebP and not PNG or JPEG. So DaVinci or CapCut, Filmora, all those programs, they won't use a WebP, so you got to convert it. So that's really nice to see a free program that has that in there. Meme Maker, Ugly Avatar Generator, Extract Audio from Video, and of course, Microphone and Webcam Tester. All right, so what did y'all think of the feature-rich software? Go ahead, leave a comment down below. I would like to know what your thoughts are for the price of what they're charging for this. I think that it's really, really competitive right now with AI being everywhere. I think that having that Nano Banana Pro in there is a big, big plus, and to be able to go through a few. And there again, if this software is in its beginning stages, I don't know how long the software has been around, but if it's in its beginning stages, it's only going to get better. And that's what we're wanting. We want a software that has all this in here, because a software company that has all this into it is only going to evolve even more. If they don't, then they're doing something wrong, because really and truly, they have a nice feature set right here, which can evolve and get so much better. But yeah, 100%, I think that this will fit 95% of a lot of people out there trying to get into AI and trying to work with AI, but don't want to learn AI. So there is a difference. So if you check out my channel, I have some other videos about AI, because AI is just literally, we're not going backwards on AI. AI is not going anywhere anytime soon. That's just like whenever cars were made. We're not going backwards. We're not getting rid of cars. We're only going forward with cars. It's just how it is, and we're gonna have to accept that. So it's either you're gonna learn it, or you're gonna be part of it, or you're gonna be left behind. I'm Thomas with Tomology. Hopefully this helps you out. Go ahead and check out right here. See if any of these products, because I don't do just software. I do software and product reviews, and I love tech and gadgets. So go ahead and check out right here. See if this one right here is worth your hard-earned money.